inside the Niger Delta.
And now, away from politics in Bayelsa State to other issues. The serial killing of ladies in different hotels across Rivers State recently sparked of public outrage as different groups took to the streets of Port Harcourt to protest against the dastardly act. In its response to the killings, the Rivers State Police Command says it has made significant progress with investigation into the ugly incident, while calling on members of the public to remain vigilant. Correspondent Lovely Ofigo has more.
Angry protesters marching through major streets of Port Harcourt to express concern over the state of insecurity occasioned by the activities of serial killers on the prowl in Rivers State. In the last 2 months, no fewer than 8 women have been strangulated to death in different Port Harcourt hotels.
So we're out here basically to sensitize female youths in Rivers State. We want them to stay woke. We want them to be vigilant. We cannot stop certain people from meeting people as well. So we just want to tell them how to go about it.
Hoteliers have a lot of work to do. I don't know that it's only in Africa that they don't take precaution, because I remember if you go overseas, when you go to check into hotels, they ask for your ID.
Apprehensive residents of Port Harcourt want the police to rise to the occasion.
We're here to protest the fact that we are losing our mothers, we're losing our daughters, we're losing our sisters, we're losing our wives. It is starting with women in Rivers State. It can move to anybody.
We have come to this place to ask the government to expedite action to get to these persons who have been killing our sisters, our younger ones. We want a stop to it. Enough is enough.
Since the ugly trend surfaced in August this year, the lifeless bodies recovered so far in the hotels have had white pieces of cloth tied around the neck, waist and legs of their victims in what looks like the signature imprint of a single serial killer or a syndicate of killers. Police Commissioner in Rivers State, Mustapha Dandaura, at a recent press briefing in Port Harcourt, maintained that a special task force comprising security agencies, the Rivers State Ministry of Culture and Tourism, and hotel owners had been set up to keep hotels safer and more secure in Rivers State. He said 3 suspects had been apprehended in connection with the serial killings. One of the arrested suspects, Mr. Gracious David West, who was paraded before journalists, is already making confessional statements to the police.
All these serial killings in the hotel, you said you have been doing it.
Yeah, I'm the one.
You are the one doing it.
I'm the one. I wouldn't deny it.
What is the motive? What is the motive? Tell us.
That's because I don't know. It's whenever it's come on me. That's what I'll do.
As part of measures to stop killers on the prowl in Rivers State, the State Police Command has directed hotel operators to install closed-circuit television cameras in their premises, get proper identification of their guests, and profile all cars at the point of entry in their hotels. The Rivers State Police boss says hard times await hotel operators who fail to comply with the directives.
Any further killing in any of these hotels, that hotel must be sealed. The manager and the receptionist who are on duty in that very particular time will be interrogated, and we are going to charge them to court for abetting killing, for conspiracy.
Among several groups condemning the recent onslaught against women in Rivers State are Rotary International, International Federation of Women Lawyers FIDA, Medical Women's Association of Nigeria, Port Harcourt Significant Girls Association, a gender-based non-governmental organization operating from Rivers State.
Inside the Niger Delta.